So today we're gonna do a fishing challenge. So basically what I mean is we have to catch a bluegill, then a crappie, then a bass. And if I can't catch all three of those, and I have to do it in that order, bluegill, crappie, bass. If I can't catch them in that order, then I have to polar plunge in this pond. So let's get going. Got him. No, what is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a crappie. Dang it! Hey, he's pretty small. Well, he's not a bluegill, so he doesn't count right now. See you later, bud. Whoa, what was that? Amazing. And also, I can only catch 3 fish before I have to polar plunge. It's pretty cold if I can't catch a bluegill. But yeah, I can only catch 3 fish, 3 wrong fish before I catch a bluegill. Because if I catch 4 wrong fish, gotta polar plunge. Got him. What is this? What is this? What is it? Oh, shoot. Darn it! Bud, why you gotta... Okay. The next fish has to be a bluegill, because I can only catch 1 more fish that is not bluegill. But, wow. Not too bad right there. Okay. I can only catch 1 more fish that isn't a bluegill. Okay. Wait, what is it? Oh, is it a big bluegill? Please be a bit. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, what happened to you, bub? Wait. Oh, perfect little sitting log. I just fell out of his mouth. Look at that. Oh, and on this side. Looks like a crane tried to get him. Don't worry, bud. I'll send you this crane season. If there even is a crane season. Thanks for biting. Well, you're dumb. Okay. That way. That way. There we go. Okay, this next fish, it has to be a bluegill, or I'm polar plunging. And my hands are cold just from touching the fish, so I have a feeling that it's not gonna be so warm whenever I polar plunge. If I polar plunge, because I'm not gonna polar plunge, because I'm gonna catch a bluegill on this cast. Never mind, I'm not gonna catch a bluegill on that cast. I was just hyping up this cast. Yeah. Come on, please, please, gosh. Would you looky there? Looks like someone tried to, looks like someone, yeah, like put their camo croc with their red socks right here and tried to slip. Couldn't be me. Huh. Oh, but you're wondering what bait I'm using, I'm just using like a little tiny tube with a little pink jig head. All I can say about it is it catches fish. I mean, I just had him. Just had him. Where's he at? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come back. Maybe he likes it just a calm lure in the water. Oh. I hooked into him, and I tried to turn on the camera, and then he came off. So, well, there's one of the problems with a two-piece. Now I gotta get my foot wet. Actually, I'm just gonna reel it in. Come on, come on. Imagine I catch a fish. That's crazy. Come on. There we go. That's the first time that's happened to me. And I just got this rod for Christmas. Come on. Right in there. There we go. Oh. That was weird. Oh my gosh. It's massive. Oh, no! Just came off. Just kidding, it was a stick. Gotcha. This time I'm not kidding. This is the deal breaker between a polar plunge and come off, please. Please, come off. Well, guess who's polar plunging? Both of us. This bass and me. Thanks for biting, but like, do you got it right now? I'll go get the tripod and take off my jacket. Dang it! And you remember that whole minute thing I was telling you about? Yeah, look, I ain't doing that, I'm dipping. Lord, catch.